so ghetto.
Oh gosh, I'm gonna put that in the video.
No, you're not.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Aaliyah. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a slick ponytail and a makeup look to go with it. And I'm sick if, by the way, if I sound kind of crazy. So let's get into the video. Okay, so I have my bonnet on because I put my hair in braids last night. And yeah, that's how I look. So I'm going to take it off and, oh, that does not look good. So I'm going to take out my braids and you'll see. Okay, so I finished taking out my braids, and my hair still looks crazy, but it's curly. I'm taking my spray bottle that I got from Amazon, and I'm spraying it on the roots of my hair, and I don't put it on the rest of my hair because I need it to be puffy so it looks good. And I'm taking this icy hair polisher, and I'm just like putting that on my hair to make sure it looks all shiny and good and not crusty because nobody had time for that. So now I'm taking this silk scrunchie. I got it from Claire's and it's just blue. Put it on my hand. And then I'm taking this Shea Moisture leave-in treatment coconut oil. And I spray that on the top of my hair and it helps defrizz it and it like makes my hair shiny too. Okay, so now I'm taking this smooth brush to smooth down my roots, and I don't do it all throughout my hair, only at the beginning of it. So I'm going to keep smoothing down my hair until I get it to a good point to where I can put it in a ponytail. I'm taking this Eco Styler argan oil gel to do my edges, and you'll see how I do them. So I'm taking this Estee Lauder, the Illuminator Primer, to prime my face before concealer. So now I'm taking this Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer by Too Faced. And just putting 2 dots on my face because it's a very high coverage concealer. So now I'm just blending it with this Stuffle brush that I got in a makeup set for Christmas. Now I'm taking this e.l.f. brush. And did I really just say brush? I meant blush. And it has little glitters in it too. I forgot the name of the color, but I'm just going to blend it out with this blush brush. So I'm taking this e.l.f. highlighter in the shade Moonlight Pearls with a fan brush. Taking this Morphe brow cream and I'm going to shape my eyebrows with it. So now I'm taking this Morphe Artistry palette. These are all the colors. I'm taking a neutral color to match my skin tone and I'm focusing that on my crease. I'm doing a purplish glitter look, so I'm taking this reddish purplish color and I'm gonna put that in my crease on the outer corner. Now I'm going to take this dark purple color and I'm going to put it on my outer corner. Now I'm going to take these two purple glittery colors and I'm basically going to do like a cut crease without concealer, so just going to put that all over my lid. So now I'm taking this goldish color and I'm going to put it in my inner corner to brighten my eyes, and as you can see, I put too much. Now I'm going to put on some eyeliner. This is a gel one, it's kind of like a pencil one, and it's not that special, it's from Macy's. I'm just going to put that where eyeliner goes. And I don't usually wear eyeliner often because it's a struggle to take it off along with mascara, because all that black stuff, it stays on there for like days, and like I literally have to scrub it off my eyes, but yeah. As you can see, I'm really struggling, aren't I? And now I'm curling my short eyelashes that will not curl at all because they're naturally straight, which sucks. And yeah, I wish I was born with long curly eyelashes, but oh well. That's what mascara is for. And now I'm taking this Estee Lauder mascara. I have a lot of mascara actually, but like none of them really work and none of them like curl my eyelashes and just leave them in clumps. I usually use waterproof or like a different mascara from this one, but I just decided to use something different today. And also, I haven't seen a lot of people use Estee Lauder, the company. My mom uses it, and so that's how I got most of my makeup from her, so yeah. Oh, looks like I'm gonna take more glitter, and this is a Morphe one that I got, I think from Black Friday, and I gotta be more extra because I'm a glam queen. We love a sparkly sister, and so now I'm just gonna put that over the eyeliner, which I spent time doing nothing for, looks like. Now I'm taking this Mario Badescu facial spray with owl and cucumber. It's one of my favorites. I use that in the morning to refreshen my face. And oh my gosh, my face just now, I look like an egg, but... And now I'm gonna use this Estee Lauder. I don't even know the shade, but you know, I'm just gonna put that on my lips to finish the look. I love lip gloss. I have like 10,000 of it, and I put it on like every 5 seconds because it literally lasts for 5 seconds. So cute. Anyway guys, this was the video and this is the look, and thank you for watching today's video. The next video should be coming out soon. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.